Hello viewers, today I will make a bootable your flash drive. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome, type your download Rufus, Rufus, so Rufus downloads. Go to there, this is Rufus original website, and go there and just simply download this Rufus latest version 3.20 usage 1.3 megabytes. Okay, so first if you press here, it will be downloaded. So already I have it downloaded Rufus here. So when you download this Rufus, so that install it on your PC, so they will open up the Rufus here. So over here you can see it. You have a Rufus applications. So after that you have to select your flash drive, select your OS. So this is my Windows 10 ISO file. So I just open this one. So where you get it, you open up your Google Chrome or any browser and type here download Windows 10 ISO, like this, Windows 10 ISO, and go here. It is loading. So okay, so here you can press there, download now. And here I have already downloaded, so I have a duplicate of the version of this file. So first you have to download your ISO from Microsoft. You can see here software download, so Windows 10, download Windows 10. Okay, so when you downloaded your ISO, so now you select here, you can see Windows ISO open, and you have to uh, input your flash drive. So I will input my flash drive. Let's see, here don't have my USB flash drive, so I will put now my USB flash drive. It's a minimum 64. You can see here it's on my 64 GB flash drive. So already my pen drive is bootable, so it doesn't matter. I just show you only. So when you open up your Rufus, and you have to select, already you can see you already select my 64 GB flash drive, and you have to see their partition scam. Your hard drive, if you want to install MBR or GPT partition. So GPT and MBR, this is a two partition scam. So you have to select if your hard drive is the latest, then you can select GPT. Or if your hard drive is the old version, you can select MBR partition. Okay, so I will select the GPT partition. So okay, press it, then go to start. Okay, press OK. So I'm just running all the device is there. So when you uh, press the OK button, so it will be running in here, and after that 100%, you will close this one. You will already have already bootable, and it get like this 10 or 12 or 15 or 20 minutes uh, for for full download, full ready to your USB for bootable. So that's it. It's a very simple way. So thank you very much for watching my videos.